In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send Google Drive link via Gmail. So you can see I open. Now I need to click on compose. Then here are type to targeted Gmail address. So I like to it's for example purpose only. So I write this one. So I write this one. Then okay. Then subject. eh, G you can try anyone. So here is the topic. So now you need to click on this icon. If I zoom here, you can see this is a Google Drive link option. Just click here. Wow, it's directly connected to my Gmail. So I type here my drive. S- I select a file. You can select multiple file as well. No problem. So I select this file. Then if you click add as attachment, so this file automatically going to this person. So if you want to add as a link, so this is the best option. So I select this one. So here is the topic. So now you need to just click on send. Only click on send. So this is a method how you can send Google Drive link via Gmail. So if you have found this video helpful, for make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.